Hi, Janie from JJ's Appliques here to show you my cute little donut bows. I'm featuring the confetti vinyl that's available at Glitterbug Fairy. And I'm here to just show you quickly how to assemble these. This is the 5-inch, the 4-inch, and then here are the pieces I've cut out, stitched and cut out for the 3-inch. And first thing I want to share with you is in cutting out the inner circle of the donut, what I do first is I poke a hole and then I cut into like pie shapes up to the threading and then cut around. It seems to make it a lot easier to get the circle. Anyway, quickly, just to show you, these are the loops, the bow base, and the center tie. I also use Olefun on the back to give it a more of a lightweight, easy to fold and assemble. Just a side note there. Anyway, first you'll glue the bow pieces, the bow loops together. I use Gorilla Hot Glue, and you can use it too, or the E6000 Crafters Glue. So there's your first loop, the donut hole, or the donut. It's so cute. Next, just glue the side loop together. And then once that's dry, I glue these two pieces together to form the loops. Pull off those strands that always seem to get loose. Okay. Once this is glued together, it's pretty good. A little glue on the bow base and center the loops onto the bow base. Cute. The center tie, a little more glue on the front. Center the little confettis in the middle. Okay, flip it over. I use French barrettes. You open them up, take out the middle bar, put some glue on the bar. Then center that on the base and hold it down for a few seconds. Next, pull the bow base, the center tie up, and you can cut off any extra. Glue this down. A little more glue on the top of that. And then fold the top end over. Okay. Cute. All right. Next, get the French barrettes middle bar and replace it. Snap and you're ready. Just that easy and quick. All right. Well, I hope you enjoy this. You'll enjoy the new bows in the 3 different sizes. And remember to head over to Glitterbug Fairy for the vinyl. Okay, talk to you later then. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.